Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the shifting grid Camo. To earn this prestigious cosmetic, you'll need to progress through several tiers of weapon mastery. This involves completing specific challenges for each weapon, starting with the base Camos and moving through gilded, forged, and priceless. Ultimately, you'll unlock the interstellar Camo, which is the gateway to the shifting grid. It's a journey of dedication, but the reward is truly unique. Your first step is to unlock all 4 base Camos for any weapon you wish to customize. These challenges typically involve achieving a certain number of kills, headshots, or other basic combat feats. Once those are complete, you'll move on to the gilded Camo. This usually requires a specific number of kills while aiming down sights or performing other precise actions, alongside having the 4 base Camos already unlocked. After securing your gilded Camo, the next tier is forged. This challenge often involves more specialized tasks, such as multi-kills or kills under specific conditions. Once forged is complete, you'll tackle the priceless Camo. This tier typically demands even more advanced gameplay, like achieving a certain number of kills without dying or performing specific objective-based actions. Each step builds upon the last, honing your skills. Finally, to unlock the coveted interstellar Camo, you must complete the priceless challenge for a total of 36 weapons across various categories. This is a significant undertaking, showcasing your mastery across a wide arsenal. Once interstellar is unlocked for a weapon, the shifting grid Camo, which is its animated counterpart, becomes available for that same weapon. It's a dynamic, animated cosmetic that truly stands out on the battlefield, a testament to your dedication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.